Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to apply Amazon Pay ICICI Bank credit card absolutely free. You just follow my tips and tricks and you can apply and receive within 2 weeks this ICICI Bank credit card in your home. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open a new tab. It's very simple process and just put it this one Amazon Pay ICICI Bank credit card. You can do this process on your smartphone devices also, and just simply click here first link. Even I already put this link in video description also. So such kind of web page are display here. So look at this here, Amazon Pay credit card, Amazon Pay ICICI Bank credit cards, and several informations are available here. You can read very carefully, otherwise simply click here get Amazon Pay credit card, and such kind of disclaimer coming here. You can read very carefully, responsibility on those, and just simply click here, click the process. And now you need to first of all sign in your Amazon account. I already sign in here in my Amazon account. Check application status. I click here. You receive one of the OTP in your register mobile number, 6-digit OTP. So yeah, I am receiving within a second OTP. I put it here, my OTP, and then verify. My OTP verification is successfully done. So look at this here. I apply couple of months ago. Application receive, like here you doing the same process. It's very simple. And executive visit also in my home address. Document verification also completed on 19th of March 2022. We are assuming your application for the credit card, and I can wait here couple of days again. So definitely I am receiving this credit card on my home. So you can do this process and very easily get Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.